How to create avatar in Instagram. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution, and today in the video I'm going to show you how you can create your own avatar in Instagram. So first of all, open that Instagram application. Once you've been taken to the Instagram homepage, after that tap on the bottom right corner on your profile icon. Now after that, tap on upper right corner on the three horizontal lines. Now go into the settings. After that, tap on accounts. Now go into avatar. From here on, you can start designing your own avatar. So I just changed the dress from here. That's more like it. Now from here on, I can change the style of my hairs. That's more like it. You can also change the colors of your hairs from here on. You can change the shape of your face as well. Now from here on, you can change the shape of your eyes. Now you can change the color of your eyeball as well. Now from here on, I'm changing the eyebrow. I'm wearing the glasses as well. I'm changing the shape of my nose. Now from here on, I'm making I just need a beard on my avatar. That's more like it. You can also change the color of the beard. And now from here on, I'm changing the shape of the body. That's more like it. I don't have to wear any hat or anything else. From here, I can change my outfit as well. So just like that, you can start creating your own avatar on Instagram. After that, go on the upper right corner, tap on done, and that's how you're done your creating the avatar in Instagram. So that is it in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, you can ask me right in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. I'll catch you up guys in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Have a good day.